Hello, I'm Pablo Riboldi, and in today's video, in the lesson today, we are going to talk about some of the best astronomers, the main astronomers in history, Copernicus, Galileo, Hubble, and some others. But one of the things that I want to explain first of all, is that these astronomers, these were just normal people, okay, that they had more than anything a curiosity and a big desire to learn. They really just wanted to learn how things work, all right? They wanted to be able to explain these things. None of them were thinking about how am I going to make money out of this, or am I going to become a star, all right, or anything like that. Copernicus and Galileo even, they had to suffer persecution for actually the discoveries that they did and they sustained and everything. So this wasn't really something that was very economically good for them or their lives, really. But they wanted to know. They wanted to know because they were curious. They were not satisfied with the answers that they had at that point. And so they wanted to understand and know. That is, if I could, the main message, really, of these lessons. And frankly, in this school, in this online school, that is the main way that you are going to be able to learn. If you learn anything, it will have to be mostly from your natural curiosity, your desire to know, your desire to learn and investigate more. Okay. Luckily, okay, we have the great blessing of living in a day and age where we have lots of information and good information available almost everywhere instantaneously through the internet, okay? So I really encourage you to take advantage of that and peruse the topics, investigate. Here in the lessons, I'm going to give you some resources, some links to articles in Wikipedia or other resources, but these links are by no means sufficient, really, to satisfy your curiosity. You should feel free and encouraged and curious enough to keep clicking in other links that are promising, other resources that are there online. And of course, always you have to be careful. Don't go to places that have bad content. Mostly the links that we put out there are going to be of good content, vetted, basically, but they are certainly not enough to help you learn all the concepts that you should. So you need to work that on your own, all right? That is really how these scientists discover things. And not only this, okay, if you read in the Pearl of Great Price, we have accounts of Abraham, even an ancient prophet, receiving visions, okay, of the universe, of the planets and the stars, and God revealing to Abraham the immensity of space and the many things that were there, their names and times and seasons, everything really. Why did Abraham get to see those visions? Well, I believe that was probably because he was curious. He wanted to know, and he asked the Lord to reveal those things to him. He really wanted to know. All right. Similarly with Moses or the brother of Jared, they exercised faith and they were able to be worthy and curious enough, sincere enough to be able to know these things. So when you study, if you encounter some things that you seem that I don't understand, I'm not getting what this means and everything, ask. Pray about it, okay? Pray for help. The Holy Ghost knows everything, really, okay? And He will be able to help you understand things. So the message really today for the class is let the curiosity guide you and explore and learn as much as possible, okay? So see you in class.